Welcome to TechZoid. If you own a Samsung device or smart home gadgets, you may have seen the SmartThings app. But what is it? How does it work? And should you use it? What is SmartThings app? SmartThings is Samsung's smart home automation app that lets you control and manage connected devices from one place. It works with Samsung smartphones and tablets, smart home devices like lights, thermostats, cameras, and locks, Samsung TVs and appliances. With SmartThings, you can automate tasks, monitor your home remotely, and control devices using your phone or voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. How SmartThings app works. SmartThings simplifies smart home control by connecting and managing devices from one app. Add bulbs, plugs, cameras, and more, then control them remotely, automate routines, and use voice commands with Bixby, Alexa, or Google Assistant. Key features: control anywhere, manage devices remotely, smart automation, set custom routines, instant alerts, get notified on activity, wide compatibility, works with top brands, seamless Samsung Sync, control TVs, appliances, and more. Compatible devices. SmartThings supports a wide range of smart home products, including smart lights, Philips Hue, LIFX, smart plugs and switches, TP-Link, Wemo smart thermostats, Nest, ecobee smart locks, Yale, August, Schlage security cameras and doorbells, Ring, Arlo Samsung smart TVs and appliances. Check the SmartThings website for a complete list of supported devices. How to set up SmartThings. Download the SmartThings app. Sign in with your Samsung account. Tap plus add device and follow setup instructions. Create routines and adjust controls. Is SmartThings worth it? If you're deep into the Samsung ecosystem, SmartThings is a game changer. Best for Samsung users, works seamlessly with Samsung devices. Broad compatibility, supports Alexa, Google Home, and more. Smart automation, custom routines, and remote control simplify management. Conclusion: SmartThings is a versatile smart home app that brings all your connected devices into one place. If you have Samsung products or multiple smart gadgets, it's a great choice. Would you use SmartThings for your home? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech insights. Thanks for watching TechZoid. See you in the next video.